Okay, y'all are interested in how much a chicken weighs. You have no idea how hard this is to do. So I've caught a chicken, and I have my food scale. We'll talk about food scales later, or your teacher can tell you about food scales. Alright, hopefully that'll zero out. I've caught a chicken, it's zeroed out. I'm going to try and set her on and let go of her. It's very slippery because it's wet out here today. We're going to see if I can weigh her. Okay. Oh, she's being very good. Oh, come here, girl. Come here, girl. I know. Be good. It's hard. She's a young chicken. Alright, this chicken weighs... We're going to see if we can get her to stand still for just long enough, and I let go of her. I believe if I have it right, I might have to look at the footage closer when I get done, because it's not easy to do this by myself. I believe this chicken weighs about 5 pounds. I got one chicken. Let's see if we can get another one. I'm going to say she weighs about 5 pounds. Okay, ready, Kitchenette? Let's see how much Kitchenette weighs. I'm going to guess she weighs a little more. Never in my life did I think that this would be my life. I'm out in a coop weighing chickens, but here we are. Because you asked, and I love the curiosity. Come on, Kitchenette, you can do it. Oh, I got it quick. Did you hear that sound? She doesn't normally make that sound. She's not pleased with me right now. Alright, girlie, stop it. Alright, I'm not going to torture her. Well, Jeff will do it. Yep. Jeff will do it. Alright, I got to zero it out again. Hopefully it goes to 0. Yep. Alright, Jeff, help us out here. Help a girl out. Jeff, I believe, weighs... also around 5 pounds. Good girl. Thank you, Jeff Goldblum. Alright. So the answer is, my chickens weigh around 5 pounds each. That was a great question. I'm going to do it facing my way. I might have to do it in ounces. Let's see if we do it in ounces. Alright, then we can convert it. I know, I'm sorry. I know. Okay, ready? I didn't think about how slippery this is. Oh, okay. I know, girl. Let me try again. See if we can get it zeroed out. I can give you some scratches. Alright, we got ounces. Let's see if we can do ounces. Oh, she was so close. Come on. Me letting go of her is tough. I want to say we've got... That can't be right. I'm going to say 110 ounces, maybe? We got to convert that to pounds. I might be wrong on that one. It's really hard to see her. It was really hard to see under her feathers. But I love your curiosity. Let's keep trying. Alright. As you can see, I decided to see if I could weigh a chicken. I understand. You can Google it. So can I. And I will. To see if my data follows up and matches up with the data that we got there. But here's what I want to say to you. Wasn't it a whole lot more fun to experiment and try and gather our own information instead of just doing a Google search? I think it was kind of fun. Now, on to the next thing. I have started decorating the coop for holidays. Put up a very wonderful door decor of chickens. I have a whole bunch of other decor to put around the coop. I would like your input into where to put it. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll go get a few of the things and I'll show you. And then you can tell me, do you want me to put it near the door, decorated door? Far away from the door? To the left of the door? To the right of the door? In the center of the coop? but we have to keep in mind the safety of the chickens. I can't put anything that they could, like, get into and peck at and destroy the cord and potentially hurt themselves. So we kind of have to think about that. What do you think? Do you think it would be better to hang some decorations up higher or down low? Think about what you've seen my chickens do. Higher, lower, middle, back? I also kind of don't want to run into them with my head when I'm in and out of the coop. This is going to be a bigger challenge than I thought as I'm talking it through. I kind of thought this was going to be kind of simple and easy and we'd get this done like quick. It might take a little while. Here are a few of the decorations that I have. Let me show you. I have this star, it lights up. Or snowflake, sorry, snowflake, it lights up. You could hang. I have a festive little Christmas tree that doesn't have any electronics on it or anything. And then I have a whole bunch of these strings of festive ornaments. These also are not electronic. They don't have anything to plug in. So again, think about that. Where do you think I could or should put any of these decorations in my coop that keeps my chickens safe, but also celebrates our season? Let me know. We're out of here. Remember, stay curious, have fun, and don't be chicken to learn new things.
You know what? I got back in the house and I started thinking about my experiment that I just did, and I realized almost immediately that there are ways that I maybe could have improved on it, but I didn't know what I didn't know. So here's my question to you. If you were a scientist and you were going to do the experiment that I just did, weighing a chicken with a kitchen scale, and you now saw what I struggled with, you saw the problems I encountered, how would you fix that? What would you do? I can tell you this much. It was a little rainy out, and one thing I would have done differently is I would have waited until a much drier day. Can you figure out why? Oh, and by the way, all of that sound you hear in the back, if you can hear it, is Moose, my dog, chewing on a bone because I'm not giving him enough attention this morning. I'm giving my attention to an experiment of weighing chickens. But here we are. He's got to have the attention, so he's chewing on a bone, trying to get my attention. I gotta go now. I gotta go take the dog for a walk.